Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome to the class. Now we are doing geography. We are doing resources and development. And we are also doing about classification of soils. We have talked about alluvial soil, red soil, black soil. Now we'll talk about laterite soil, which is found in India, especially southern part of India. How this soil is formed and its characteristics and its usefulness. We'll talk about that. Number one, I've written 5 points. Number one, laterite word. This laterite word has been taken or derived from Latin, Greek word, Latin word. Means brick, B-R-I-C-K, brick. This laterite means brick, actually, according to the Latin word. It means this brick. Now, how this soil is formed? Now, you see, this soil forms in areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall. The areas experiencing high temperature and heavy rainfall, there you will find laterite soil. How? This is the result of intense means great, leaching. What is the meaning of leaching? Leaching means, here I have written, dissolving of minerals from the rock. The rock, they contain minerals. Due to heavy rain, the minerals get dissolved with water and washed away, leaving the hard rock. And due to heat, temperature, the rock turns yellowish, red. And when this red rock in a humid condition, it turns yellow. So laterite soil is yellowish, red and yellowish mixed. Dissolving of minerals, leaching, due to heavy rain, high temperature and heavy rainfall. This will lead to laterite soil, formation of laterite soil due after weathering the rock. Number 3, humus content is low here. Humus content is very low because all the decomposers, all the microorganisms in the soil, they get killed or destroyed due to high temperature. So there are no decomposers, so naturally no humus in the soil. Laterite soil contains very little amount of humus or sometimes no humus. So humus content is low because most microorganisms, or you can say decomposers, get killed due to high temperature. Due to high temperature, they get killed. So naturally you don't have humus in this type of soil. So now number 4. These soils are suitable for growing crops after adding suitable amount of manure and fertilizers. These soils are suitable for cultivation by adding manure and fertilizer. Without adding manure and fertilizer, this soil is not fit for cultivation. So these soils, number 5, these soils are found. Where it is found? In India. It is found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Assam, the hills of Assam. These soils are found in these areas having high rainfall, heavy rainfall and high temperature, and is useful for growing tea in Assam. Tea is grown here in this laterite soil, and cashew nuts and spices in southern India. Cashew nuts, spices, cardamoms are grown in this type of soil. So after adding manure or fertilizers, these crops are grown. Cashew nuts, teas, spices, cardamoms are grown in this type of laterite soil, especially tea in eastern India, that is in Assam, and cashew nuts, spices, cardamoms are grown in southern India where laterite soils are found. So now in our next class we will talk about the arid soil. Arid means dry region. What type of soils are found in the dry regions? We'll talk about that in our next class. So today, this much for today. If you have the book, I think, and you go through the book. resources and development, and those who don't have the book, you can copy this out and make a copy for geography, and you can read it out. You can remember things properly and clearly. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe at home and continue your studies. Make a habit of going through the online portal every day and proceed our lessons. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.